Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. What do you think about my hat? Yep, got him today. His name's Cordell. Most of y'all that watch my videos and watch me and my mom's live streams, you'll get why I called it Cordell. Today, what I got going on? I was supposed to be doing a wood burning video to go along with my soap making playlist, but me and my wife, we have decided that we're gonna get us a chicken coop. Here's the chicken coop here. I got this from good old Tractor Supply. And the reason why I got that is because I got to looking at, I was going to build my own. Now I do have this chicken coop, this building here that I was going to tear down and build a chicken coop with. But that's going to take forever to do because I can't do as much with my hand. I can't use a hammer real well. I really can't even hold on to the hammer, so gotta really, it's gonna take some time to do that. So I was like, well, I'll just get the material and build me a chicken coop. Well, I got to looking at the material and the cost of it, and this chicken coop here, buying this already put together, all I gotta do is take it out of the box and put the 4 walls up. It's gonna come out to be about the same price, and I'm not doing any manual labor on it. So that's one reason why we went ahead and got this chicken coop here. First thing that I got to do, if you can see here, I've got a barbed wire fence that runs all the way up here, and it goes from here to that building. The horse pasture is all out through here. Well, this is where I'm going to have my chicken coop in here. So what I'm going to do is take this barbed wire fence down because it's kind of dangerous for my little girl. She has walked into it once. Luckily, nothing happened, but, you know, I don't want it to happen again. So I'm going to take this down, and I'm going to run it from the corner of that building over to the, up to the road. So I got to take all this down and rewire it, and I'll be right back with y'all. Alrighty, so, man, I've got scrapes and everything on my finger pokes. Move, Toby. Toby's all in my way. So, when you're working with barbed wire, wear gloves. It was a freaking mess. But I got all this down. It went from this post here all the way to the road up there, and then just right across here. And from the little shed right there, all the way up to the road, I reran barbed wire. So I got all that done. Now I'm fixing to back up this truck into the spot where we want to put the chicken coop, and I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, so that's the chicken coop there. It looks a lot smaller on that picture than what it is. I think it's a little bit bigger than that. But let me get this out of this box, and we'll go to setting this thing up. I'm going to carry y'all along with me. battery is done run down, so I gotta get me a screwdriver. Okay, so got my screwdriver. Let me finish putting this stuff up. Alright, so here is the chicken coop. It took me about an hour altogether to put this together. Not that bad. Let's look at some of the features of it. Right here, you got a little airway. And then on the back here, got two little deals. And you open this up, and there's the hen boxes to get your eggs. And then just close this back up. Alright, or on the side, got a little observation window, and you can open this up to take a look on the inside, see how your chicken's doing, look in there before you stick your hand in there, make sure there ain't no snakes in there. But there's nowhere on the bottom that a snake can get in, so I mean, it's well built. There's nothing can get in. You got this big tall door here, and this is the walk-in Annex chicken coop. Can hold 8 to 10 chickens. And then you got a little door right here. You can let them out to do some free ranging. But what my plan is where the front door is, I'm gonna take that front door off. I'm gonna build a yard out through here, a fenced-in yard for them to get out, run around some more. And also I'm going to get more chickens than 8 to 12, so that'll work perfect. Oh my God. I'm glad I didn't have to put that whole thing together with the screwdriver, because just putting the roof on, my freaking wrist is, whew, I ain't used to doing a whole lot of screws like that. I ain't been doing nothing for the last 8 months. So yeah, oh, and one last thing I forgot to show you is this right here. You can pull this out to clean this out. This will be where your chickens poop at, because the roost bars is in there. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, me putting this together. Just want to show y'all what it is. Like I said, I paid $300 for this. That's how much I paid for it. So just getting the material to build all this, I would come out about the same. I looked it up. I've done all the research on it. So, all right, well, that is my chicken coop. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. All right, guys and gals, well, that's it. That's all I got for you today. The next video that you will see with this chicken coop is us getting our chickens. Well, when we get our chickens, they're going to be little babies, but we're going to get some chickens and get them raised up big enough to put in the chicken coop. I'm going to go in here and sit on my butt because I'm tired. Man, oh man, getting up and down. I'm a big old boy to be doing all that getting up and down. Alright, well, thank y'all so much for joining me on this video. Until next time, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?